I've waited for this moment since freshman year.
Oh, I'm here for ring dance. It's just like a really fun event where we celebrate getting our class ring.
It's honestly my favorite Virginia Tech tradition.
And this is really a night to let loose, have a great time.
Being able to be here with the crowd and enjoying every part of what makes Virginia Tech Virginia Tech.
I'm having a blast. Like, I'm seeing every single person I know. I'm looking to my left and looking to my right and seeing people all over the place.
It's a great event. I'm so pleased that they chose me, that the 2020 class chose me. I'm thrilled.
It's just being surrounded by all the members of class of 2020 and that we are all united by the class ring and how it just really brings all of our experiences together.
Being a part of something that's been going on for over 100 years is, it's really special to be in the middle of that ceremony because you're standing there, you're getting ready for your ring, and you know that you're making history, one step at a time.
The ring really connects me to the Hokies who have come before me and the Hokies who are yet to come. So this is really a piece of Virginia Tech that I'm taking with me wherever I go.
It's very important to realize that everything that we have as students and that we experience right now is because of the people that came before us and the foundation that they laid.
When you're an alumni and you have the opportunity to give back to your university, just come back and visit and give advice. Come back and try to hire future Hokies. That's what I know what I'm going to do.
It's really important, as we leave, to remember where we came from and just how important that is to give back to this community, because it really is special. You're really not going to find this anywhere else, and I'm a full believer of that.
Once you leave, you might have left physically, but your heart never leaves Blacksburg.
It's really true that Hokies do help each other in the real world, and I want to be able to take that motto of Up Pro Sim into my future life after college.
Giving back, little acts of kindness, that's what Up Pro Sim is about, and that's when you truly become a Hokie.
Virginia Tech has given so much to me, and I want to be able to be a part of giving back to the university as I get older and throughout my career.
Hokie Nation is everywhere. It's what bonds us together, and it's the best nation to be a part of. Alumni can donate their rings, have the gold melted down, and then have that used to make the new rings of future classes. So I feel like that ties in Hokies of past and present all together as we move on to the future.